magic match.
Morphle love Mila.
Are you guys ready? I'm always ready for a swim.
Morphle ready.
We're not just going for a swim. We're going to find Wishyfish.
Wishyfish?
Come on. I'll explain on the way.
Oh.
Have fun, kids.
Bye, Daddy. Wishyfish is a really shy magic pet that lives deep in the ocean. She can make a single wish come true, but it only happens 1 day a year. So we gotta get there fast.
Morphle fast.
Whee!
Bloop, bloop. Morphle submarine. Fish pretty.
Jordie, what will you wish for when you find Wishyfish? Well, I want to find my magic match. Eee! That's so exciting!
There's Wishyfish.
No.
There's Wishyfish. There's Wishyfish. There's Wishyfish.
No, Morphle. Look! Wishyfish! Whoa! Slow down, Morphle. She's really shy.
Morphle, sorry. I'm stuck.
Oh no! We're gonna miss Wishyfish. Don't worry, Jordie. It's not too late. Morphle does something to free us from the seaweed.
Morphle chop chop.
Wow! It's Wishyfish. Quick, Jordie, make a wish. Wishyfish, I wish to find my...
Wishyfish, no go.
Don't worry, Jordie. Let's follow her into the ship. Come on. Why does it have to be a spooky shipwreck? There she is. Nice and slow so we don't spook her. Emil! Wishyfish is stuck. Morphle, morph into a big octopus to shake off this eel.
Hello.
Bye! Wishyfish, we didn't mean for any of this to happen. She's really stuck! Wait, my wish! Wait, now? Wishyfish, I wish for you to be free. Wow! Goodbye, Wishyfish. Jordie, you used your only wish to free Wishyfish. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Mila.
Jordie, no magic match.
Well, I know I'm going to find my magic match one day. And until then, you have the two of us.
Morphle love Jordie.
I love you too, guys, but you're really squeezing me. What a beautiful day for a picnic.
Keep up, Claude. It's picnic time.
Morphle love picnic.
Slow down, Morphle. And don't forget to eat some veggies. That's no problem for Inkra.
Bah, this jelly is tiny. Huh? If I grab that magic pet, it can make my jelly huge.
Boo, Winston! What are you up to?
Making my jelly massive. Go, Claude. Oh yeah. Inkra made my jelly ginormous.
Winston, Inkra didn't make your jelly big. She made us tiny. We gotta get to Inkra so she can turn us back to regular size.
Morphle now.
Let's go! Yeah! Guys, what's that?
It sounds like Claude purring, only bigger.
Much bigger.
Oh no! He wants to play!
Quick, Morphle! Get us out of here! Phew, that was close. What are we going to do? Let's go to the top of the hamper to get Ingra's attention. We're so high. Inkra! She can't hear us! And we can't get to her without Claude seeing us.
I've got a plan. I'll bounce off the jelly and shout in Claude's ear. He listens to me.
Well, if you think it'll work.
Watch this. I'm a genius!
Now we have to rescue Winston. Winston! We've got you! Now we just need to get Ingra's attention. I know! Grab some broccoli! Now fly to Ingra! Ingra, please make us big again. We'll give you broccoli. Phew. Here you are, Ingra. Jelly?
Ugh, I've had enough jelly for one day.
Winston.
Is everybody ready for the great dinosaur race?
Yeah!
You'll start here in the park, then swim at the beach. Then whoever gets to the top of Mount Petport first wins the trophy.
Cool, let's do it.
Someone say trophy.
Winston and Orphle?
Us race too.
Watch out, because C-Rex, my magic match, is awesome in the water. Yeah!
We're not a magic match at all, and Maladino's way too small. How can I win anything when our powers only make me sing? Great thinking, Ingra. Oh, well, we can race now. The rules are dinos only, but no flying dinos allowed. Yeah!
Morph into a Triceratops too, Zorfel.
Mimic on dinosaur.
A Stegoraptor? Awesome!
On your marks, get set.
Go! Go there! Let's go!
That'll stop them.
Morphle, we've got to do something before everybody falls in! Yes! Yeah! We're not going fast, but we're having a blast!
Oh, here they come! Time for the swimming part of the race.
Quick! Morph into a Brachiosaurus too, Gorfle.
Mimic on dinosaur.
A Brachiosaurus Rex. Yes! A wild call? That will stop them.
Huh? Hang on, Mila and Morphle! Thanks, T-Rex! Come on now, you're doing great! Don't give up, it's not too late!
It's the last part of the race. To the top of Mount Petport!
Do it, Morphle!
Morph into something that can fly, Blorfle. A Triceratactyl. Yeah!
Hey! No flying dinos, Winston!
Haha, we're going to win.
Oof! We have to save them! Keep on climbing, you know where. Come on now, we're almost there.
The winners are Jordie and Mila.
You did it, Jordie! Congratulations!
This is your fault, Awful.
Oops.
I knew we could do it, even at that pace. 'Cause slow and steady wins the race. Yeah! Thank you, Bubble Bear. Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster.
It's massive! Wow! Bubble Bear makes some really big bubble fin to play with.
Huh? A giant bubble? Not in my...
Mom, watch out! Whoa, what's happening?
This is getting out of control fast. Huh? Oh no! Ah! This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down? I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next.
Guys, we've got to get out of here.
Quick, Morphle! Morph into something with big teeth and pop this bubble.
Okay, Mila. Jump-a-doo!
Oh no.
I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot. Now pop this bubble.
Great work, Morphle. Time to stop that bubble monster.
Be gentle, Morphle. Bye.
Bye-bye, tiny bubble monster.
Yeah! Hang on, everybody. We're gonna burst your bubbles.
Get ready to make bubble thrusts to land on, Bubble Bear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best. You're welcome. Now let's get the magic pet center down. Hold on, Daddy. Yes.
Phew!
Quick, Morphle. Yeah! We did it.
What a bouncy, bubbly day!
The floor is hot. Don't touch it.
Whoops! What the Jello is happening?
Jello lava?
Help! What a delicious disaster! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We have to rescue them.
Mila, help!
But how are we going to do it?
Good thinking, Morphle. Yuck.
Get me out of this.
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll rescue you. Here we come.
Well, I guess we should help. Right, Molly? Aww. Pull as hard as you can.
Thank you, Jello rescuers.
Help me! I'm stuck!
Look, it's Geronimo.
Morphle, can you pull this van out?
Got it, Mina. I got it, Mina.
Morphle, let's go! Pull, Morphle!
Thanks for rescuing me! Who would like an ice cream? Huh?
Mila, help!
Sorry, we don't have time to eat. Wait, that's it! Eat the Jello!
They're gonna rescue us by eating all the Jello? Ha! Genius! Whoa!
There's just too much Jello.
Morphle idea.
Grab them! Yay! Got you!
Morphle fall! Morphle never want Jello again!
Welcome to Petport's annual Super Soccer match between the Morphle Reds, Morphle, Mila, and Jordie, and Magic Pets United, Animi, Inkra, and Telephone. This is a Super Soccer match, so you can't use your hands, but you can use magic power.
And the winning team will get this gold trophy.
Let's score some goals. And remember, not to use your hands.
Morphle no use hands!
Yeah, go Morphle! Huh? Where did the ball go? Oh, man!
Woohoo! That's 1 point for Magic Pets United.
Ready, Morphle?
Ready, Nina!
Animi, you used your hands. Foul for Magic Pets United. Free kick for Morphle Reds.
Yeah!
Halftime.
Morphle, let's go!
There's no way we can win. Listen, guys, we may be down, but we're not out. It's not over till it's over. We just have to work as a team. Now, let's go win that trophy. Yeah! Morphle Reds! Morphle Reds! The ball is alive. A little help here, Morphle? Oh, thanks, Animi.
No goal. Play on.
Go, Morphle! You can do it!
Let's go!
Whoa! 1-1!
Time.
The game's over? Who won? It's a tie.
What time, Mila?
Both teams win!
Yay!
Where is the other team?
A bit more win, please, Catmo. Winston!
My kite is bigger than yours. Watch this. Huh? But it's not windy enough for my kite. I'll give you one of these if you make Catmo turn the weather really windy.
What's going on?
We did it, Claw! This is the weather I need. Woohoo!
What? Stop annoying Catmo. You're making the weather too windy. Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Now let's rescue Jordie and Winston.
Whoa! Phew! Help me!
Hang on, Jordie!
My hands are slipping! Wait!
Gotcha.
Thank you! Help me!
Winston's in trouble! Let's go!
Mila, we can't do anything in this wind!
Actually, we can. We can? Yes. We'll use the wind to get us to Winston. Morphle, morph it to a hang glider. Let's go! Woo, yeah!
Well, this can't get any worse. Oh, it's worse!
Don't worry, Winston. We'll save you.
Oh, hurry up with the saving then!
Got you.
You took your time.
Oh, Winston.
Too windy.
We have to calm Catlo down. Treats for you, Claude.
Look! Catmo is happy and the wind's calmed down.
I missed. Your turn, Jordie.
Oh, I missed too.
Bigger, please. Thank you.
Good thinking, Morphle.
Cry.
Winston, are you okay?
What? I wasn't crying, but I can't find my cat, Claude.
I don't know what I'd do if I'd lost Morphle.
Where did you last see Claude?
At the animal sanctuary. I was halfway through giving him a present, and he ran off.
Well, let's go back and have another look.
I guess that makes sense.
Claude!
Where is he?
Inkra, could you shrink that hedge to see if Claude is behind it?
Well, he's not there.
Could you shrink those trees, please? Tiger! Morphle, morph it to a speedboat!
Phew. Look, we're safe here.
This isn't the cat I wanted to find.
Morphle, get us out of here!
We're safe. Did we just get sneezed up by an elephant?
We have to find Inkra and get back to normal size!
Monkeys!
Morphle, do something! Quick, Morphle, go into that cave! Save us!
Yay! We're safe.
But we still haven't found Claude.
Don't worry, Winston. We'll find him. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center to think where Claude is. Huh?
What's that?
What?
Claude! I was so worried about you. Would you like the rest of your present?
Oh, so cute!
I'm not sure Claude agrees.
Welcome to the Petport Flower Show.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Jenny.
I really want to win that trophy. Let's get my flower. Ooh, I need to give it some water. Morphle, if you please.
Morphle, Morph.
Thank you.
Hey, Mila, this flower looks really thirsty.
It's a magic pet!
Not just any magic pet. It's a shrub cup. According to the magic pet primer, she can make flowers and plants grow anywhere. Whoa! Oh, actually, oh no! We have to stop her turning Petport into Jungleport. But how? Quick, after her! Mila, a little help, please. Thank you.
Ooh, Shrub Cup tired.
Jordie, where does Shrub Cup sleep? Let's have a look. Got it. In giant flowers. And, apparently, they love berries. In that case, I've got a plan. But first, we need to get her back to the Magic Pet Center. And I know how. Tasty berry. Who wants a tasty berry? Ooh!
A jungle? Not in my city.
Don't worry, Shrub Cup. Morphle, morph into a flower. Here, Shrub Cup. It worked! Shh! Oops, sorry. It worked! Morphle, lower us to the ground.
Oh, she's so cute!
They're a magic match! Jenny, meet Shrub Cup.
I can't believe I've got a magic pet! Shrub Cup, could you please return Petport to normal?
Thank you, Shrub Cup. And thank you all for helping me find my magic match. I think we can all agree that Shrub Cup is the best at growing flowers.
Marvel hat.
Hey everyone, this is Slushy Seal. He'll cool you all down. Watch this.
Wow. According to the Magic Pet Primer, it can turn things into juice pops.
Marvel loves juice pops.
I know you do, Morphle. But Eloisa can have this one because she's the youngest.
Strawberry, my favorite. Thanks, Slushy Seal. They're a magic match. Wow. Can you make that a juicy pop?
Hey!
And can you make that a juicy pop?
Ooh, that's cold.
Yeehaw! Juicy pops for everyone!
They're gonna turn everything into juice pops.
Don't worry, we'll get her back. Let's go.
Be careful!
Whoa! This is not cool. Actually, it's very cool. Let's find Eloisa and Slushy Seal. Juicy pops everywhere.
Alpha no juice pop.
Morphle? Don't worry, Morphle. We'll get you out of there. But how? What's Eloisa's favorite juice pop flavor? Strawberry. Well, that's what you need to morph into, Morphle.
Have a tasty strawberry.
Let's make a huge strawberry juicy pop.
fill up Petport with huge juice pops.
And look what you've done to Morphle.
Sorry, we didn't see him.
Ooh, awful no juice pop.
Hi, Daddy. We're here.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah! Thank you, Slushy Seal.
Tasty juice pops.
I'm so glad to have my magic match.
Morphle, would you like a juice pop?
Awful no juice pop.